Stand up so you can kick it.
It's gonna be one shot.
Can't kick it with a dress.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you can't see your feet.
You gotta hold it up, Ryan. Hold it up. Hold up your dress. Like a lady.
Hold it.
And now
Good.
kick.
Now you can kick.
Dilemma. Cross-dressing or football? Cross-dressing or football?
Uh-oh.
They're not all they're cracked up to be, are they, Ryan?
Are you gonna kick it? Where's
Hey,
your foot?
come back. Come back.
Where's your foot?
Okay.
There it is.
Okay, sit right here. And I'll check you.
Yay!
Yeah.